To set single press S Pen button for media as volume down in Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features. Select S Pen, tap air actions, scroll down the screen, and then on media tap single press menu, select volume down. Now single press S Pen button for media set as volume down. To use, open your media, for example in a video, and then play in full screen. Next, press your S Pen button to volume down. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.